Hey everybody, it's another episode of Tony Tidbits where I have a special thing that just arrived in the mail today, and that's the iPhone 12. And so my wife has an iPhone 8 Plus right now. I'm a Android person myself. I have a Pixel 4 XL, but my wife still is in the Apple ecosystem, and it is time for an upgrade. So she currently has an iPhone 8 Plus. We've decided to go ahead and upgrade her to the iPhone 12. And so this is the unboxing video. So we're just gonna unbox it, kind of look at what's included in the box, try to get you a feel of what to expect, and enjoy the video. All right, so here we go. It is in the shipping box here, and I basically just cut the tape so we can open it. And as we open it, here's your unboxing, unveiling, if you will, with the iPhone 12. Pretty easy to take out. They have this little flap here that comes out, and you can just kind of take that, the iPhone 12. We got the blue. Luckily and happily, my wife's favorite color is blue. And this year, we were actually going to buy the iPhone 11, but decided to wait to see the unveiling of the iPhone 12. We saw the blue color, and I knew that was going to be it. So, oh, that's very nice. You know, one tab. Look for the bottom there. Has a little arrow. You can easily take that out. And this year, the Apple has decided not to give the iPhone charger. We do have a couple in stock, or not in stock, but laying around, so that's nice. And here it is, the nice iPhone 12. Got a little tab here. I'm gonna have the white glove service here. I don't want to scuff it up. We're going to put a screen protector and a case on it. I don't want to get any dust on it, so let's just put on our white gloves here. I usually use these for any very polished or surface. Lift it up, and what you see here, designed in Apple by California. There's a USB to, I'll put this right on my microfiber cloth here, USB to Lightning cord, so it does come with that, thankfully. We have tons of the USB-A to USB to Lightning, but it's nice that it's USB-C. Waiting for the day that Apple does a USB-C to USB-C, but then you know what? Well, that's not going to happen, so let's just not talk about that. There is a SIM ejector, which you can use the nice, if you're one of the Apple fanboys, a sticker that you can put on your car. We'll be throwing that away. I'm just kidding. We'll be keeping that just to see what we want to do with it. That's it. That's all it has in the iPhone 11 case, or the box itself. The iPhone 11 itself comes with, this is interesting, has a little white cover here that says power, and it has a ringer. There's toggle switch for the to turn off the ringer, and then volume up, volume down. I think this is the ceramic coating. Since we're gonna be putting a screen protector, I won't take it off and power it on. I will wait until later to give you some reviews, or maybe look at how the screen is after that. But in all, I'm very happy that it came. I kind of was a little concerned about it coming, but or coming in time. But that is the iPhone 11, 12 in blue. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and click subscribe if you want to see some of my other videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.